How can you convert Binance to bank account? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw funds from Binance to bank account. So all you have to do is make sure to verify your Binance account and then log in into your Binance account. Once you're logged into your account, then it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Here, tap the profile icon or the logo from the top right hand side and scroll down a bit and go to more services. Once again, scroll down a bit and go to withdraw fiat, located right in between, and then here you need to select what you actually wish to transfer. So first of all, you need to select bank transfer, and as you do that, you need to click the continue button. Next page, you need to enter in the details of your bank account or the receiver's detail, and you need to verify your bank as well. After that, you need to enter in the exact amount that you're transferring, and also make sure to change the currency type. And as you're done with that procedure, then you've successfully converted Binance to my bank account, and approximately it's going to take 10 to 15 minutes in order to complete the transaction. So until the receiver receives, just wait patiently. So that is how you can convert Binance to my bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.